Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Please watch to the end as I will give you quotes on how to have a beautiful life. First, let's see what I bought. I went to do my grocery shopping and I bought a lot of nice stuff. Yes. So let's see what I bought. Okay guys, this is my shopping haul and I will start with this bluebird, which was very inexpensive. I also bought this masala, pilau masala, and it was also very inexpensive. There is this turmeric, this extra perfumed velvet, tissue. This is the tissue. This is rose tissues, which are very good, and I have used them already. That's why you are seeing this one outside. Let's continue. And I also bought this sunlight, which is very good. I use sunlight for my washing. This is not sponsored, and I'm just showing it because I love it, and it's very nice. And it came with handy with this one here. This was free, you know. You buy this sunlight, the big sunlight, and you get this 5-gram net for free. It comes in handy with the big, with 1 kg of sunlight. Let's move forward. I also bought these Kenyan kahawa dormants. It's very sweet. I love it. When I'm cooking my tea, I normally mix dormant coffee with tea leaves, which is very nice. Yeah, this is Kenya Fahari, which I bought at 120 shillings, and it's also very nice. This Cleanshelf sugar, you see, they have a very nice sugar. Even though they have not sponsored this video, but I love their product because they sell good products. I also bought this Indomie 5-pack. They sell it at 100 bob. This one is a beef flavor and it's very good. My kids love it a lot, even though me, I don't eat it. I don't eat noodles. Yeah. And I also bought this, you can see here, this sunlight soap, which is magically good. Sunlight soap, which is very good. Like, I love it so much. So normally they sell these at 150 shillings, but it was on offer. I bought it at 100 shillings, which was a good offer. Let's move forward, guys. This zesta, which is hot and sweet sauce. I love it a lot with Cannellon red premium jam, which is very sweet. Bay leaf in the house is magical. You can cook with it and you can also do other things with it. I had people saying that if you use bay leaf to bring your love back or to attract money and stuff, you can use this product, and it does magical from people who use it. So yeah. Let's move forward. I also bought this 2 kg sugar, which is also from Cleanshelf, and I combined it with this Mumias sugar, which is also very good. And I love mixing it, even though I have not seen the difference. The Mumias sugar, is it Mumias sugar? It's premier white sugar, Kenya sweetness. Yeah, it's not Mumias. So I love mixing this with the Cleanshelf sugar, and I have not seen the difference. The combination is good, it's real. Yeah, let's move forward. I also bought this ugali. In Kenya we eat ugali. Ugali is our food. Like, ugali is what we normally eat a lot. And I also bought this baking purpose flour, all purpose, and ugali. There is this one for mandazi. This one is for baking mandazi, and cake. This one is for rotis or chapatis, and there is this one for ugali, another one for ugali, and these eggs for chapatis, rotis, or what you want to call them. Being in love with life is a key to eternal youth. You are only here for a short visit. Don't hurry, don't rush, and don't worry. And be sure to smell the flower. My mission in life is not merely to survive, but to thrive, and do so with some passion, compassion, and humor. To be in love with myself and compare myself with only myself. There is a time I used to be affected by what people say, and I used to beat myself hard. But I realized I got only one life to live. I got me, and before taking care of others, I should take care of me. You may shoot me with your words. You may cut me with your eyes. You may kill me with your hatefulness. But still, I will rise. My darling loves, this is my message to you. Continue to be who you are. It's okay if someone don't like you. It's okay to be sad sometimes. It's okay to be locked inside yourself. But one thing is for sure, you are not there permanent, and you will rise again. There is a time I used to hide myself to cry because I thought that crying is a sign of weakness, but I was wrong. Being sensitive and emotional is a sign that you have got a big heart. Are you not afraid to let others see it? Showing emotion is a sign of strength. Stand straight and realize who you are. Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire.
something is for sure, things works best for those who makes the best of how things works. Repeat that again. Things work best for those who makes the best of how things works. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Linah and this is my story. Please subscribe.